Welcome to Incredible App channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off RTT in your Android phone. So at first open up your phone app, then tap on three dots, then go to settings option. Now if you cannot find RTT option here, just go back, then open up Play Store, then search for Google Phone. Then you have to install Phone by Google. Now just give it a moment to install it. And the download is complete. Now just open Google Phone app, then tap on set as default, then choose Google Phone, then tap on set as default. Now Google Phone app is ready for use. Just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display, then go to settings option. From here go to accessibility, and here you can see RTT or TTY mode. Then just tap here, then you have to select TTY off from here. And that's it, you have successfully turned off RTT in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.